We still believe that the future is urban. And we are looking at a trajectory where within the next 20 years or so, over 50% of our people will be living in urban areas. And that one poses a big challenge in terms of resilience, in terms of being able to handle horizontal infrastructure, the challenges that I've had. One of you asked about waste management.
Many challenges in our cities and our municipalities, as we had the case in Gilgil where we had a fire and we don't have an established fire station well developed. But I think all these small things like tragedies like that, accidents happening in the cities, in the towns, can be avoided if the municipalities are given the mandate, they are devolved properly so that they have resources, and also they are included when it comes to issues like zoning. They should be very involved in the zoning of the towns, because the towns are growing and we need cemeteries, we need parks where all these people can come and enjoy when they build all these houses they're building in our town, like our municipality of Naivasha.
We've come to have a conversation regarding the framework for urban governance. We are, as chairpersons, keen to actualize the urban planning, urban governance, as a way of realizing the promise of Article 184 of the Constitution.